Kabenta kabaar kemisim ya karai nakaliang jongo sorkar. Hakabedei bat kajing ya tho syong kurim. Ha ki balang ki niam ki baper. Ki baju penlong ya kini ki jing ya tho. Ha ki ying mani ki jongki. Ka sorkar kalasyak banle kumta. Hakitu ki jaka mani belai ki baper bat yakaniru nginsya nudu ka khat riu trik ubnai bopra ar hajar ar poway. However, the SOPs and notification will be issued by the Chief Secretary within few days time from now. And I would like to request all the concerned churches, all the concerned religious worshipping denominations to kindly adhere and strict compliance of the SOP has to be followed. Ya ka SOP kabidei bat kini kirai ki bangisim na kasorkar arteli kabadei bat kaya tho songkurim bat kabaaru ya kabadei bat kijaka maniblei ban lejiaseng ya kani ngin sapenmi ya ka notification hakini ki kendiat sengi bat rengkat kitu ki protocols kum bangijule mensyemsnem tam ka bangakerpat nakaliang kesorkar ya poro ki religious leaders different denominations bakin sengobha ya kaban board perking ya kini ki SOPs ki baka sorkar kan sapenmi ha kini ki kendiat sengi ki banwan kita kidai ki decision kirai ki bengisim menta kasngi haka review meeting. Do you have any question where the Chief Secretary is working out the modalities? As I said to you, this indication will be included in the SOPs and the notification to be issued very soon. Kamau pi sering ngila play ya kayeng mani kabamut kalahat lang baroko janta. Habangila play ya kayeng mani kejebut kalong bangila kalahat lang lut baro anta tang ba ya ke detail protocols kum mangau ya pi namangila issue mensiap sedem pi ong sapan ke baptism pi ong sakaya tho pi ong ya ki benta ki baper ki balong reud khot lana pi ong ya ke engagement kata baro kamau pi kan ngin suara da ka SOP hakaba ki balang baper ki sengniam ki baper kin bot renti ya kata ka SOP ka bangin sa permission hakini ki kendiat sengi whatever wherever or if you talk about livelihood of people we really wanted to do that but taking into consideration the alarming increase of the positivity which is still very grim. We cannot take a decision only in one go. So step by step, and then we watch, we observe, and at the same time, we really wanted, as I said to you, from the government side, to bring back things to normal at the earliest possible. To inform you, reception is still not allowed. Yaka reception pada hakaji atho, hadu mentangin patsya. Bahkan don ke reception. You read out when we notify the SOPs. Then you read out the SOPs in detail. It will be indicated all the nitty-gritty. It should be just like a guiding book to all the concerned stakeholders. So again, step by step, phase by phase. And today we have asked Education Department to give us the presentation what is the modality for opening up of schools or colleges or university. That will be taken up in the next maybe few days or few weeks. Step by step ni lah, te ngakarpat yang ini concern private vehicle owners sengau bahaya syak sitom bat ke sorkar ya kan niru nilai discuss benar te kemong opi ngipek kat kum ke jia joka kes ban ngin persang kat bala ban warna biang syakan normalcy kemong opi kata ke kijing anglut jeng ini ke sorkar tang bahak ke joka por ke jing kerpat pada kalomba kidai ban sumar bahak dalade yalade ban ngan ban biang sejisen kabengila ban yada kumba kalong menta haka pertai barokawai kadai ke vaccination kadai ke injection lene kadai ketika ladangi lapoi nama kumba kalong mentangi dang poi 100% hadu 100% ke vaccination drive ke mengidap hadu menta ke sengi kalong kumba 100% tuna kandiat ke soi sim 100% te ke basa menta kalong sa 100% kan persen sekarang 100 means another 50 around 54%. There's still a long way to go. But naka team jongka health department, niki department ki baper haki block level, haduk ki village level. Ka kabangi tresitom kolong ban pensutu iki brio. Nagadaw ngong pikatu ka CCMT ka COVID committee management team jong kisnong gitaw. Mentangin ya persang kat bala bandon ke jingi trei rengkat batki. Lapi ong ya ke vaccination lani lapi ong ya ka ban ya dayu ni uknyang jingpang jing spread unyu uknyang jingpang kumno bingin le ya kan ni rungi discuss pa mane hatok review meeting bangi hap ban ya trei lang rengkat bat kini ki borsnong ki bortau kum bingin le ha uni usnem mu bladet. Grassroots level. Our focus is up to the grassroots level, up to each and every village, be it big or be it small. We wanted to complete 100% of vaccination. That is our intention. If we can complete 100% vaccination, I'm telling you, we are free. I think the restriction will be no more there. In fact, it is both. It is both, not necessarily only in rural area, but even in urban area, there are hesitancy, why not? But from the government side, we are trying our best to make sure that, this kind of fear psychosis, this kind of hesitancy is removed from the mindset of the citizens of the state. Few weeks, say up to the end of September, we would like to achieve 70%. Kirai ke milasim nakaliang joko sorkar hak bedai bat kijaka maneblay kijaka long jiaseng kibabaro sikata ngimsya te menta kejanmet hadin benglayo ya ke report na baro ki deputy commissioners bat kumjuru na ka jingkerpat jong kiseng niam ki baper ka sorkar klasim ya karai ba ngin sya no ban play ya kini ki jaka maniblay nadu ka khat riu trik ubnai agost ar hajar ar phawai tamba ka capacity ka jingwan syakini ki jaka ban maneblay kamdei ban palat ya ka 1/3 na ka jingdon jong kitu khot halaki jong ki denomination. After receiving all the inputs from all concerned district administration and also from all concerned stakeholders, as far as religious worshipping places is concerned, I would like to tell you that the government has decided to reopen up the religious worshipping places in the state of Meghalaya with effect from 16 August 2021. And the capacity of these churches gathering should not be more than 1/3 strength.